Hello everyone, my name is Maria Paula Camelo Campos. I'm in the third semester for the foreign languages degree, and this video is to learn a little bit more about pronunciation in English. In the first case, we have the difference between the B words. These words are known for being pronounced very similar, even though they're written differently. At the moment of pronunciation, we are very close to be confused if we don't pronounce them correctly. Okay, so here we have the written way and then the way that we have to pronounce them here in this line. So first one is beard. Beard is when we talk about the face hair for men. So it is spelled B-E-A-R-D, but the correct way to pronounce it is B-I-E-R-D. So beard. It is important to make the D sound at the end so we can difference this word from the other ones below it. Second word, it is the animal bird. As you heard, bird is a really short, so strong sound for the D at the end, so we can make a difference. Third word is another animal, but this one is the bigger one with claws that eats honey. So for this word, the correct written way is B-E-A-R, but the way that we pronounce it is B-E-H-R. The H letter is there just to be conscious about the way that we have to pronounce the word. The H letter means that you need to let go a little bit more of air. So the way that we pronounce this word is bear. Bear. With the E really strong, a little bit more of air, and the R at the end. So bear. No D, so we don't have that ending for this word. Fourth word, and the last one for this section is beer. Beer is when we talk about the drink. So the word is spelled B-E-E-R, but the way that we pronounce it is B-I-E-R. Beer. Beer. Very long sound. Okay, so for the next section, we have the difference between a voiced and a voiceless sound. A voiced sound is when you make your vocal cords vibrate, so they can make the sound. So for the examples, we have the letter V and the letter F. As voiced, we use the V because you use the combination between the airflow that you let go and the vibration for your vocal cords. So it is necessary that the vocal cords move and let airflow goes in order to produce this sound. So we make it together, V. Then we have the voiceless sound. Voiceless sound is when you don't have to use your vocal cords and the sound is produced just by letting the air close. So the air flows. No vocal cords vibration needed to produce this sound, but letting the air flows. So you use your top teeth over your bottom lip and you let the air go. So F. Difference between V we use to the vocal cords vibrate, and to the letter F, which is F. No vibration cords. Okay, so I think that will be it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.